welcome back to Hillbilly News. Well, I got a good one for you today. It's coming at you from down in South Tampa Bay, Florida. Yes, Florida. Well, apparently a Budweiser truck was going into a rest area, and he missed his curve, and he wrecked. Well, here's some pictures to show you what happened. Woo, doggy, I think somebody just lost their job because they dumped out about 44,000 pounds of beer. That's right, 44,000 pounds. Well, that gives a new tune to bottles of beer on the wall, to 44,000 pounds on the road, 44,000 pounds. One truck, though, tips over, and all of it's on the road. Okay, don't go with it, but that was beside the point. They had to clean it up because if they didn't, imagine how drunk gators would be. Woo, doggy! A drunk alligator. Ooh, that wouldn't be fun, would it? They'd go around like this right here. Maybe they ought to try some moonshine instead of beer. Well, that there's coming from you from a John Hood Plug News. Oh, by the way, I don't drink, whether you believe it or not, but I don't drink. Well, I drink Mountain Dew. Does that count? Anyway, have a blessed day. Till next time.